Hi, my name is Karanveer Singh, and today let me tell you about a friend whose company is struggling due to lack of timely feedback. Without proper customer insights, issues are being overlooked, harming their customer experience and increasing churn. In today's market, understanding customer satisfaction is crucial. And without NPS, businesses miss key feedback and risk losing loyalty. But don't worry and don't be that friend because Client has the solution. Let's dive straight into the functionality. Here you will find the Send Survey button. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can choose the email template and the type of survey you want to send to your contacts. For the list of contacts, you can select the ones you want to include. I'll select myself for this example, and you can also add additional email addresses if needed. Once you click the Send Survey button, a preview page will appear, allowing you to review everything before sending. Additionally, with the survey scheduler, you can plan surveys in advance and your preferred frequency, eliminating the need for manual sending each time. You can configure the service as you wish by selecting the templates and an org-wide email address, and it follows the same functionality as you saw earlier. This is how the NPS survey email looks like. Clicking Begin Survey redirects your contacts to submit their responses. The survey supports multiple languages. Leveraging on client NPS features strengthens customer relationships by valuing their feedback, reduces churn by addressing the issues early, and enhances the customer experience through better understanding of their needs. This being said, if you haven't, go check out this simple but effective client feature. And for more questions, reach out to us at support@client.com and visit our website. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks. Have a great day.